How to log in into Keka employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Keka employee account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Keka employee login. After you search for that, head over to this website. This is a website app.keka.com, and right here you'll find the login option. There are different ways you can log in here. You can also log in using your Keka, but what you'll do here is simply type in your email address or username. Tap on continue after that. And after you tap on continue, type in your password and you should be logged in. Other than that, there are different other options such as continuing with your mobile or Microsoft account or Google as well. So just go through whichever is easiest for you and you're logged in. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.